And we're live, guys. Huge news today. Unless you're living under a rock, I'm sure you've heard about the GameStop AMC trading thing that they have going on with from the Wall Street bets people. Basically, so Main Street finally beat Wall Street at its own game. Okay, one major trade. The Redditors on Wall Street Bets found that there was 140% short position in GameStop, which I don't even honestly know how that's possible. But they initiated a short squeeze where they bought this garbage stock, from $20 all the way up to as high as $350, and they bankrupted a major hedge fund, Melvin Capital. And the backlash has been insane. As mom and pop investors, we're allowed to lose as much as we want. They don't give a shit about us. But what do they do when retail traders win one trade? Well, they cheat. They change the rules. So Robinhood has halted trading of all these targeted stocks by these Redditors, all these heavily shorted stocks to protect the hedge funds. They've put them in a position where you can only sell and you can't buy. So obviously that's had a massive effect on the stocks themselves. But I mean, this is huge for cryptocurrency because no one can ever stop trading on Bitcoin. No one can ever stop trading on Uniswap. No one can ever stop trading on of crypto. They can't. And I think this is going to bring a ton of retail interest into crypto. I mean, they've shown their hand. They've showed us that the game is rigged, and now we know, and I think the only answer for the retail investor is to move into cryptocurrency, which is already doing quite well. I mean, kind of the stock market thing has taken the market by storm, but I think this will be a major catalyst in cryptocurrency adoption. Like, I don't know if you follow Tim Pool, but apparently he's lost some money on this, because he is tweeting and making videos like crazy about this. But I do find it hilarious that the losses on this are $70 billion. And what's even worse is, like, when retail, guys like you and me lose money in the stock market, we lose our houses, we lose our we lose everything. I mean, it cleans us out, but nobody comes to bail us out. Nobody comes to shut off trading for the hedge funds. And one time they got beat at their own game, and now they changed the rules. If this doesn't show that their systems are breaking down, then I don't know what does. And the halting of being able to buy on Robinhood and TD Ameritrade have destroyed the stock run-ups. But I mean, what these guys have proven is that Wall Street is nothing more than a white-collar casino. I mean, GameStop isn't even fundamentally worth $15. It doesn't do any business anymore. You just download the game straight to your Xbox. I mean, at least I do. I don't go to GameStop anymore. I don't trade physical video games in. I mean, it was a great business idea when it was, but as you can see, they showed that the manipulation that can happen with just a little bit of organized buying power, and it has Wall Street terrified. I mean, they've even likened it to white supremacy. This is the funniest thing. GameStop. White supremacy. Media blames Trump and white supremacy for Reddit-inspired stock surges. And this isn't even the worst of it, man. Like it's been hilarious to watch them play damage control, watch them act like they pretend to. They just keep pretending to care about the retail investor, and they're saying that's why they've disabled buying. But they've also wrecked any retail investor that is in GameSwap. Now it's dropped by half. Another stock that they targeted was AMC, which is the movie theater stock. As you can see, it did a similar trajectory. As soon as the Wall Street Bets guys targeted it, it shot up to $19. And then as soon as Robinhood and TD Ameritrade stopped trading on it, obviously, if you can only sell a stock, the price is going to go down. And then they targeted Nokia also. And I don't know if you guys have ever bought a Nokia phone or ever had a Nokia phone, but I haven't since like the 6th grade. But they immediately halted this one. And the funny thing is, Tim Pool is on here saying that he actually likes he made a video saying that he actually likes Nokia stock, likes their likes their stuff, and now he's crying. I bought some Nokia, not a lot, and now Robinhood's trying to force a crash and fuck me over. I can sell at a loss and that's it? How the fuck is that legal? I'm not a huge fan of Tim's. He's just a fence sitter with no real positions. He has a giant platform that he could use to make real change, and he's just a shill. Not a huge fan, but I do think it's funny to see all these people freak out that finally crypto people have won, or not crypto people, retail investors have won, and I believe now we have a huge opportunity to bring these cheated people into crypto. And you can see it in the chart that they're starting to come. Bitcoin's up by 4.4%, ETH is 4.2%, Polkadot's 8%, Cardano is 7.5%. I did a spotlight on Elrond yesterday, and it just keeps going to the moon. It's been over 60 today. Now it's at 58.67. This is a great sign, and I certainly don't think it's done. My position, they finally broke $1 billion market cap, which is incredible. I mean, their intrinsic value has been way higher than that for a long time. So to see them succeed is great. But the lesson of this video, lesson of the day, lesson of the week is that Wall Street is rigged. It's broken. We've known that for a long time. So it's time to come to crypto. Retail investors need to come to crypto, and I'm going to show you guys a decentralized exchange. And this is what I use to buy my crypto. It's called Uniswap. And guess what? No one ever shuts anything down. You can always trade on Uniswap. You can always buy whatever you would like or sell whatever you would like. And it's decentralized, and no one is ever going to tell you that you can't buy or sell something. It links directly to your MetaMask wallet, as you can see. And, you just you put in what you want to swap. Let's see, I want to swap, just for example, 0.1 Ethereum into some ZDEX, which is a low cap alt that I'm in today. But I mean, this is just an example of how much better decentralized finance is, how much easier it is. And I think it's the future. And I wouldn't be surprised. Uniswap also has a native token, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it. I mean, it's on a parabolic rise lately. I mean, it says down 2.2%, but let's zoom out for the last 14 days. It's gone from $7 all the way to $15 in 2 weeks. If you're looking for the parabolic moves, crypto is where it's at. And like I said, Uniswap and decentralized finance is the future of investment. It's the future of crypto, and it's the future of banking. And the institutions can kick and scream all they want, but it's over for them. And I think that about wraps up this video. And I really appreciate you guys watching, and have a good day.